Stop managing your team like it's 2019. If you're still spending 15 minutes asking, "What did you do yesterday?" you aren't a Scrum Master, you're a secretary. In 2026, AI is either going to take your job, or it's going to make you the most powerful person in the room. Today, I'm showing you the 5 AI collaboration secrets that helped my team ship 3 weeks early. We've all been there. The sprint goal is slipping, the developers are burnt out, and the stakeholders are breathing down your neck. You've tried every framework in the book, but the velocity isn't moving. What if I told you the problem isn't your team, it's your tools? I've spent the last 6 months integrating AI into the heart of the SDLC, and the results are honestly scary. Before we dive into my top 5 practices, I want to know, what is the ONE blocker that kills your sprint every single time? Tell me in the comments, and let's see if practice number 3 solves it for you. In 2026, the role of a Scrum Master has evolved from a process facilitator to an AI enabler. To successfully navigate software development and deployment, a Scrum Master must treat AI as a digital team member rather than just a tool. Here are the top 5 best practices for a Scrum Master collaborating with AI. First best practice: augment sprint planning with predictive analytics. Instead of relying solely on gut feel or historical velocity averages, use AI-driven forecasting tools like Jira's Atlassian Intelligence or ZenHub to analyze deeper patterns. Use AI to simulate different sprint compositions. AI can cross-reference current backlog items against historical hidden variables, like code complexity, past bug rates for specific modules, and even team member burnout signals. More realistic sprint goals and a significant reduction in overcommitment. Second best practice: implement asynchronous and intelligent ceremonies. Daily stand-ups and retrospectives can often become repetitive or disruptive. Use AI to reclaim the team's deep work time. Deploy AI assistants, like Spinach.ai or Otter.ai, to capture daily updates from Slack teams and Git commits. The AI summarizes blockers and progress into a concise dashboard. Transition the physical stand-up into a high-value blocker clearing session. Instead of asking, "What did you do?" spend the meeting solving the specific impediments the AI has already flagged. Third best practice: leverage AI for backlog refinement and user story quality. Writing ready user stories is often a bottleneck. AI can act as a first-pass editor to ensure technical and business clarity. Use GenAI to draft initial acceptance criteria and identify technical dependencies or epic splits based on high-level requirements. The Scrum Master should lead the team in prompt peer reviews, where the team critiques the AI's output to ensure it aligns with the definition of ready. Fourth best practice: proactive risk mitigation via sentiment and flow analysis. AI can read the room at a scale humans cannot, identifying risks before they manifest as missed deadlines. Use AI sentiment analysis tools like Moodbit to monitor team communication and cycle time analytics to spot invisible bottlenecks, like a PR that has been sitting for 48 hours without review. You move from being a reactive firefighter to a proactive coach, addressing morale or process friction before the sprint fails. Fifth, the most important best practice: build an AI-first continuous learning loop. Retrospectives often focus on the same 3 problems every month. AI can identify long-term trends across multiple months. Feed retrospective notes and sprint data into an LLM to perform root cause analysis, RCA, across the last 6 months. Ask the AI, what recurring pattern is causing our deployment failures in the final 3 days of the sprint? Identifying systemic issues that are invisible during a single sprint retro. The truth is, AI isn't going to replace Scrum Masters, but Scrum Masters who use AI will replace those who don't. You now have the 5-step blueprint to make sure you're on the right side of that equation. Don't let your process stay stuck in the past. Go automate a blocker today.